2P10 those down on this factory. That way it just gives me a reference. So I can pull that out and then just use it as a template. And this is why you need this. All the stuff just slips in there. Huge. I don't know why the factory doesn't include a zero clearance insert and you just cut into it. It's odd, but whatever. And then I just transferred this onto the plate, physical plate where it'll end up. Put the screws back in where they need to go, and just trim it out. And since all my big routers have the 1/2" collet set up, I don't want to waste time doing that. Don't clamp from the battery because you get a lot of wiggle there. Clamp it right here, solid. Get yourself one of those. If you don't, look at that. You locks in, super solid. That's basically what I want to see. Just real fleshed up. Nice. There we go, baby. Okay, there we go. Fun part. Probably hook up the dust collection. Well, that's what we want. Nice, solid, no flex, Baltic birch. Yeah, baby. Bits and bits, baby. That is such a nice, just look how smooth that is.